What kinds of public transport do you have in your country? In my country, we have buses, trains, and taxis. Many people also use motorbike taxis. I often take the bus to school because it is cheap and safe. Sometimes it is crowded, but I don't mind. Public transport is important because it helps people travel easily and saves money for many families.
What kinds of public transport are there in your country?
We have buses, trains, and taxis.
What do many people also use?
They use motorbike taxis.
Which one do you often use?
I often take the bus
Why do you take the bus?
because it is cheap and safe.
What is sometimes the problem with buses?
They are sometimes crowded.
Do you mind when it's crowded?
No, I don't mind.
Why is public transport important?
Because it helps people travel easily and saves money.